Welcome to day 14 of the Advent Journal. Today's prompt is creativity. What does creativity mean to you right now? Well, it means a great deal to me right now. It means sharing and communication, and also having a 5-minute window, just 5 minutes to myself to do things that I really enjoy. For me, creativity is all about joy. It's about peace and calm. It's about self-acceptance and creating new ideas and forming connections. I love working in lots of different media. I'm using collage today, and I used acrylic paint to make that collage. But I also use watercolour paints. I sew. I love fabric and textiles. I doodle. I love fine liners, and I love alcohol markers. I love making books, sketchbooks and journals, and even write short stories too. I really like to draw characters and paint them, and my little characters have lots of different things going on in their lives because I love to create little lives for them. Slow stitching is one of the things that keeps me calm. Painting is like a meditative practice to me. So all of these things mean that creativity is really special to me. And sometimes, even though the result might not look perfect, it might not be something that I particularly want to share with anybody else, creativity is always something that makes me feel grounded and safe. And it's the most amazing thing to pick up a few supplies and just create something and let my mind escape for a little while my hands do the work. So I hope you've enjoyed seeing today's video. Even though it was only a quick 5 minutes, I ran up to the craft room to do a little bit of creativity because I really wanted to share something with you today for the number 14 prompt. If you still haven't signed up for the Advent Journal Challenge, the link is below. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care. Bye.